Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw another version of Venom as it is featured in Fortnite. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this Venom, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're gonna draw in kind of like an egg shape first, and this will be the top of the head, not the full size of the head. So we just draw in one egg shape. I know this part is very tricky. Okay, so his eye is gonna be in here, and right underneath this is gonna be the teeth in the lower jaw. Alright, so from here we're gonna draw in the eyes. So just go up right in the center right here. Just gonna draw in two little brackets like this going out. On the top here, just come back down. So we're gonna simplify the details right here because there's a lot of little details on the original drawing. Okay, so we'll come up on the bottom. And then now from here, we'll curve up. We'll try to make it symmetrical. And then from this curve, we're gonna curve in. So it's like a little hook on the top. And then on the top part here, we're just gonna curve out and connect to the sides. Okay, so same thing here. Okay, and then now for the bottom right here, we're gonna curve out, and again, we'll connect to the sides. So just dip it down and just go up to the sides. All right, and then let's see from here, now we can draw in the lower mouth and stuff. So we're gonna draw in the teeth first, right in the middle. Okay, so here's the middle, just draw one on each side. I'm gonna draw in a couple more, and there's one more on this side. Okay, so if you have room, you can draw in more. I just can't draw too small with a Sharpie. All right, and then from here, we're gonna draw in the tongue. So on the side right here, we can come down, and I'm gonna have it go out this side. So I start on the top. So we curve down, just go out. And then whatever curve you have here, now we'll just follow this, and we'll make it skinnier and skinnier, and then just close it off. And add in one little line right here. All right, so this tongue here, you can draw in different directions if you like. You don't have to follow exactly like this. Okay, and then now that we have this, now we can finish up the jaw. So just come back up here on the side. Just kind of come down, connect to the tongue. And I guess this part's gonna be all black. So just let me shade it in. So this will be the inside of the mouth. All right, so that's the head. So now let's draw in the body, and we'll make them nice and strong here. So right on the eye, the side of the head, shoulders coming down. Now we'll come down here. This is gonna be the armpit. I'm gonna curve in. So that's gonna be the kind of chest area, actually the rib cage. And then just come down. So this is gonna be the hip. And we're gonna add in a little bit of a musculature right here from the armpit. I've curved to the center. That's gonna give us the chest muscle. And we can actually extend this line right here. Okay, so now that we have the torso area, we can draw in the arms. And let's draw in this one first. So this one's coming straight down. So on the shoulder, nice and strong here. Just come all the way down here. And then now from the armpit, here's the bicep. This will be the elbow right here. Okay, so we're right around this area. Now we're gonna bracket down. Straighten it out. Here's the wrist. And now we can draw in the hand. So let's start in right here in the thumb. Come across, and then one little hook. One little line going this way. And then we'll close this off right here on the back. So here's the back of the hand. So now we can draw in the other fingers. All right, so for the other fingers, let's start right here. Come down. Start on the inside here. I know it's very strange. So we're gonna come in, curve around, come back up. Okay, so that's gonna be one finger is bending inward. Now in between this space right here, in the middle, make a little point. I'm gonna draw the other finger, just a little hook. So it's gonna go right behind that. And then to close everything off, here's the other finger. Just tuck it in. All right, so hopefully the hand right here is not too difficult. Hands are always tricky to draw. All right, so let's start on this side right here. This one's gonna have a slightly different pose. Again, shoulder nice and strong, going out. Go back to your armpit. Okay, so here's the elbow. Go out. Just a slight curve. So here's the wrist. Okay, so now we're gonna draw in the hand right here. So this one's gonna go down. This is gonna be a thumb. We'll give him a mean claw right here. Just hook it back up first. Now let's draw in the back. We're gonna extend it out all the way here. Curve this in. Now we're gonna finish up the fingers right here. Okay, so just one little, almost like a little C shape right here. All right, and then now for the other fingers, I'm gonna start right around here. We'll only see part of it. So we're gonna curve. And then we should see some claw in here. So I'm just gonna add one little angle there. All right, so that's the other arm, and now let's draw in the legs, and the legs are a lot easier. So we're gonna start right in the middle right here. It's one little curve. And let's draw in this one first. So right here, curve down. On the inside right here. So here's the knee. From here, come down. And I have it barely touching the hand, but if yours is a little bit out more, you just kind of go behind the hand, so it's no big deal. Okay, so let's come back up here, curve. And then now for the foot, one little curve here, and then this one's gonna go out, curve down, and then we'll just close that off. All right, so let's draw on this one, and this one's got a slightly different pose. So we're gonna go out a little bit more on this side. Continue this curve. Again, here's the knee. Now we're gonna turn it in. Okay, so come down. Here's the back. And now for the foot, come down on this side. Okay, we're stopping right here. Now we'll go across. Just curve in. And then just draw a little line, just connect that. All right, so that's the body. And then lastly, just to add in the little spider logo right here. So it's gonna be behind the tongue. So let's draw in the bottom section first. So right underneath the chest, just gonna draw slightly sharper here on the bottom. And now we'll go up. So it's gonna be behind the tongue, so we won't see the full shape. Okay, and then now for the legs, let's start on the top here. Come down, go up, and then just connect to the armpit area. Okay, and then the bottom, come down, so same as that. Go up, and then just go out. Okay, so I don't have a lot of space. Let's see, I can add in right in between these two lines. I'm just gonna add one more line here. So it's gonna get a little bit messy right here. Okay, so let's see this top side here. If you can see it, you can just go ahead and draw in that little shape. Right here it's gonna be blocked, so I'm just gonna add this little angle right here, connect to the armpit. And then on the bottom, we can see this. So getting a little messy again here, so just one more line in the center. And that is it for this version of Venom. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.